Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Simply Natural Black Life. Guys, happy August the 1st. Can y'all believe it is August the 1st? I know y'all like, happy August 1st? Oh gosh, it's gonna be fall, but a lot of y'all like fall. I like fall too. However, the time is moving. Uh, Great things to come, I guess I can say, for all of us. Great things to come. Uh, Guys, thank you so much. I can never thank y'all enough for tuning in to these videos and watching these house to home videos and watching me recreate rooms and spaces. I have always liked to do that. And yeah, today is the bedroom tour, guys. I know y'all probably been waiting patiently, which is a good thing. And then after this one, it's going to be what y'all really been waiting on to see, the living room and the dining room. So I am going to bring you guys that, but I just wanted to bring you some ambiance. Do y'all see look at that. And it smells so good. So good. So good in here. So anyway, y'all. Oh, I want to respond to I can't remember your name. I don't know if it was Margaret Lewis or somebody. You guys are two people I think were asking what was my religion. And I don't understand why that really matters. Just know that I praise the most high above for everything. And if you were wondering, because I had rocks and stones and rose quartz and stuff along with in my prayer station, I just really put those there. But still, they give off good energy. So anything that's giving off good energy, far as the Father and being love, showing love and kindness and humility in this world and being humble, though that's my religion. Okay, that is my religion. I don't study anything other than that. So I hope that answers your question. Yeah, I think that should answer your question. So yeah, other than that, y'all stay tuned for the room tour. And I just want to let y'all know, in the room tour, I was going with basically a space of peace. So you guys will see that there is no TV in there anymore, which the TV is in here, over there. I did that on purpose because your room should be a room to sleep. And I find myself, if I'm in there, I don't usually sleep. I'll just have that TV on. Sometimes I just fall asleep. That'll make me fall asleep. So I'm trying to get back into falling asleep without the TV. And it's so funny because I've been finding myself more in this room. But I mean, it goes without said. I mean, sometimes you have to change things up to get better results in your life, more woosah and having a healthy being. So that's what I was going for in that room. So basically, you're going to see like some wood elements, a couple of plants, and still my little bling stuff here and there. But other than that, it's a peaceful place to be. And I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys will too. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at simply_natural black. Yeah, simply_natural black_. So many things to remember. And also follow me on my other channel, Simply Black Vegan. I would love to have you there as I do like grocery hauls, vegan cook with me's, and whatever I feel like doing over there. Yeah, so with all that being said, y'all, sorry. With all that being said, we're gonna go into the bedroom tour, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and love, always. All right, guys, I wasn't going to talk in this video, but I said, well, maybe I'll go ahead so I can tell you guys who are new here, where I got some things from, and if they were DIY. So I am actually I'm coming out of the bonus room. We're not looking over there, guys. So we're gonna go ahead on and get into the bedroom tour. So hopefully it's not too dark in there because today is a gloomy day. So let's go ahead on and enter. Welcome to a breath of fresh air, in my opinion. So, guys, when we come into the space, this is what you are going to see. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's repulse gray on the wall. This room is repulse gray, guys. That is the color that stuck out. So that's the color that we painted it. So, guys, over here is old nightstand that Mark found. We DIY'd it. Well, I DIY'd it, and it's mirror, and the knobs were from Amazon, And guys, like I said, I wanted to add some wood elements like the plants and the wood stands along with the coasters. So that is how that looks over there. And then over here is my DIY leaning mirror. I did a video on that. You can go back through the videos. If I can find a card for it, I will link it. This is also DIY'd. This stool, it was actually purchased from Goodwill. And let me let you guys get a better look at that. It was purchased from Goodwill. I'm going to turn this light on, y'all, because it seems like you can't see it. I don't know that well. Okay, there we go. So that was purchased from Goodwill. And as you can see, it is gray with rhinestone trim. And I spray painted it with fabric gray spray paint. And that is the look. And that is how it came out. So we have that here. This rug is from Goodwill. It's actually a Target brand. And it was $99, but Goodwill was selling it for $50. And I got it with 35% off the $50. So over here, you guys should remember, this is a DIY nightstand. So what I did was, like I said, I got rid of the TV and we just added the metal. I love metals and I love wood together. So I put, instead of it being on the other wall, I set it here on this wall, and we just have all of like mirrored picture frames here. Beautiful DIY little glass here that I put flowers in. I DIY that on my own, you guys. Yes. And then I added this element over here, which I thought was absolutely beautiful to set on. Look how it goes. It contrasts with the mirror and the metal, how that really tunes in together. So over here we have a nice wicker basket from the other house that was upstairs. And it houses a really nice, beautiful throw that was thrifted from the Goodwill. Absolutely beautiful. It's just really, really soft, guys. The touch of it is soft. And then over here, you guys, have my beautiful, beautiful curtains with these really nice crystal ball here ends. These are, I remember these are from Target, but they were purchased from Goodwill. And what I did was, you guys remember, I just added a little bit of touch of bling here. Little crystal. I can't remember what that went on, but put that there. And then we have another one, another curtain here. Grommet curtains throughout. This is a really light gray color. I don't know. There you go. What is it giving off? But it's a nice gray color. Over here, I have my beautiful Brazilian plant. Beautiful plant. The pot came from Walmart, and it also came with the burlap rope. Isn't that beautiful? And then I have another curtain rod here as well with the beautiful detail on the ends. And same thing here, guys, with the beautiful tassel on this one, just this one. And don't worry about that. That is the light for outside, the little twinkle lights for the deck, because the deck is outside of this bedroom. Yeah, so that is that. And yeah, so you guys can see, wait a minute. Okay, you can see the deck from here. Sorry about that. So there's just twinkle lights that are along the railing of the deck. So over here, guys, I have the same concept over here. Beautiful, nice plant. Well, it's in struggle mode right now because, y'all, I kind of damaged some of the plants. I'm going to do a tour on the plants pretty soon. I'm going to do an update on the plants. I kind of damaged them a little bit because I had them out in the sun too long. But this is also from Walmart. Beautiful plant stand, and as well as the ceramic pot. Goodwill find for us the lamp. Wood coaster. Down here, same thing. It went with a nice little tissue box. And this was a DIY that I did, guys. So that's what that looks like. And here is the bed. I think it looks absolutely amazing. The textures, the tones, and everything above looks absolutely warming and amazing. Not doing too much at all. Just doing what it you will have it to do in a bedroom space, and that is to sleep and rest. So that's how that looks together. I am debating on putting the mirror that's in the hallway when you first come in the back on that side to give it an evenness, but only if I find something really lightweight to go in that hallway. And it probably have to be like a circle mirror or something like that, but other than that, it will stay. So this is how that looks. And so above the bed, guys, I just have my marital pictures, and I have a beautiful saying here, which I absolutely love. Love one another as I have loved you, John 13:34. So yeah, that is how that looks. So we're going to just do, hi y'all. We're going to do just a little pan around. We're going to close this door so you can see what it looks like with the door shut. This is how it looks with the door shut. Here is the beautiful, massive walk-in closet, guys. Has to be painted in the inside. Hi. And yeah, that is everything. So guys, let me know. I know you will below how you like the bedroom, the tour of the bedroom, and how I have everything stationary and nice and placed, nice and neat. Guys, I don't want really nothing on that wall. Not for now. Not for now. Because I just think it takes away from the color of the wall. And like I said, it's repost gray. And this is the tour of the bedroom. This is a big bedroom, guys. So I'm going to say this is the master bedroom. Yes, it is. Master bedroom. Nicely put together by me. Absolutely amazing. So guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful room tour. Oh, and I just wanted to say, you see how there's wood around that? That's the look I was going for in this room. So I will throw in some pictures, and I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful room tour, and I will see you in the next video. And you guys already know what it's gonna be. Have a good night. Have a good day. Bye-bye.